Kodajadri or Kodajadri, the highest peak in the Western Ghats range, is situated in the Shimoga district of Karnataka. Kodajadri hills form a scenic backdrop of the famous Mookambika Temple in Kollur. It is the 13th highest peak in Karnataka. Sarvajna Peetham, the wholesome wisdom, is a small temple-like structure near the peak. Adi Shankara meditated during his long spiritual journey and the goddess appeared to bless him. Traveling 8 kilometers in the Kollur-Shimoga road, the forest path begins. From here, it takes around 4 to 5 hours to reach the peak of Kodajadri. Jeep is the only source of transportation. Another way is to trek through the forest. Ganesha Guha is near the trekking path. There is a Ganapati idol in this cave and a tunnel is believed to lead to the Mookambika Temple from Kodajadri. Nature's beauty at this place is invigorating. Kodajadri mountain ranges are an ideal spot for adventure lovers.